So we all need to forget the old way of creating content because it's never been easier to generate viral videos than it is today with AI. The tool and the workflow we'll be using today lets you drop in a reference video from Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube, and it precisely replicates the style, aesthetic, pacing, and vibe. This means you can create viral content and start a brand from scratch in just one day, no matter your skill level. Our secret weapon and the tool we're going to be using today is Pippit AI. Pippit is a ByteDance tool that is packed with features, and one of its features is that it can analyze and clone the creative DNA of any viral video using AI. You can replicate similar hooks, visuals, flows, and vibes from any reference, removing any barriers that people could have as beginners and also allowing pros to scale and optimize their outputs. It's a perfect tool for any content creator at any level that's looking to stay consistent, put out more content, scale, test ideas without the hassles of editing or traditional content creation. So now's your chance to start scaling your content output in 2026. Pippit is free to use. All the links are in the description and the pinned comments. So sign up, start using it for free, and follow along with this video. Here are 3 reasons why learning this easy AI workflow will help any creator or brand online. Reason 1 is you're mastering virality. You're going to skip the guesswork and secure success using high-performing viral content as reference. Reason 2 is it's perfect for like a 24-hour viral channel launch formula, right? You can create a bunch of content and scale much faster with a tool like this. Reason 3 is precision plus simple execution. It's going to allow you to match any aesthetic, and it's so easy that anyone can do this. For those new here, I'm the avatar of John Kelly, one of the minds behind Digital Creator AI. We built this channel from scratch and just passed 105K. We're helping creators, solopreneurs, and anyone building an online brand master the best AI tools, workflows, and strategies to grow every step of the way. So if you're a content creator at any level or a solopreneur, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on those notifications because you're not going to want to miss these AI tools and workflows. Now let's jump into the tutorial. First, let's head over to pippit.ai. You're going to put that up in your browser like this. Let's head over to the web page and we're going to start by clicking here. Pippit makes it really easy to sign up for your free account. You can sign up with Google, with an email, with a TikTok account, or with Facebook. So just select one of these and sign up for your free account. So once you logged into Pippit, this is the dashboard that you're going to see. Here in the center is where you're going to type in your prompt. With this button here, you're going to be able to input the prompt and generate the content. Over here to the left, you have a menu with different options that you can select. At the top, you have different creation options. So you can generate with video, you can generate with image, you can find inspiration by clicking here. Below this, you have the avatars and voices. You can generate avatars and voices. Here you have some management options, so you can check your analytics and you can publish directly through Pippit to different social media platforms. Below this, you have the space option, so you can either check out the smart creations or your assets. Below the popular features, you're going to see your recent chats. You can always go back and reference what you've been working on. We also have this section here that shows us all the videos that are trending on TikTok or videos that you can use for inspiration. So let's say you wanted to use this here. Just click on the video and you can create with this photo by clicking here, or you can use these as templates. And you can do the same thing with this image inspiration tab. And I suggest always when trying new tools, just digging through here for a little bit to see if there's any content that you can reference or that you can use to get started. Using those reference images and videos will allow us to get optimized prompts right away to see how powerful the tool is from the get-go. Here, we have some other options that we can use to also create with. So you can select either video here, or you can select image depending on what you want to generate. Right now, we're going to leave it selected on video because we're going to generate a video. Below here, you have some other options that you can pick. This option here is going to allow you to schedule out your generation during off-peak hours so you waste less credits. Then you have your video settings here. If we click on this, you can see that you have the aspect ratios. So you have 16:9 for YouTube, 9:16 for Instagram Reels, TikToks, and YouTube Shorts. Down here, you have this language setting. So if we select this, you'll see a drop down with all the different languages that we can pick. You also have the subtitles. So you can either turn them on or off. And we have the video length. If we click here, you'll see that you can select 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 45 or 60 seconds. Then you have this Pippit standard option. If we click this, you'll get a drop down with all the models that you can use to generate your videos. So right now it's on Pippit Standard. You also have Pippit Lite, VO 3.1, and Sora 2. So some of the top models right now. We also have this plus option here. If we click this, you can add a link, you can upload media or a file, you can choose from your assets, and you can upload from Dropbox or directly from your phone. This @ symbol here is a great feature. If you click on this, you can select an avatar that you generated in the past and use it in your new prompt to generate more content with that same character or avatar. This light bulb icon here is the powerful feature that we will be using today, and it allows us to mimic viral scripts, visuals, and frameworks from reference videos. Before we use this feature, let's actually change up the model. So I'm going to click here where it says Pippit Standard, and I'm going to come down to Sora 2. And now we're going to come back to the light bulb icon. We're going to click this. We're going to come here to upload video. So just by uploading our reference video, it's automatically giving us this prompt here that says analyze the highlights of the reference video and create a similar one. So let's come over here to the input button, and we're going to click this black arrow. Now it's brought us into the agent chat UI. Over here to the left, you can create a new chat. You can hide this sidebar by clicking here. And in the center, you'll have your chat. This looks very similar to ChatGPT. So a lot of you probably will know how to use this.
Break the stone, burn the night, echo rays into the sky. We are the thunder in the ground, can't bury us down. Rise, rise, immortal sound.
So that is the reference video that we gave Pippit. And without me having to type in anything, it gave us this prompt. All I did was hit enter, and now it's given us this output here referencing the style of our original video. So let's come down here to this arrow, download it, and we'll check it out. As you can see, it's locked down the style, the look, the aesthetic, even what the characters are doing in the video. And I didn't even have to prompt the tool. All I did was give it the reference video and hit enter and wait for this video to generate. At the beginning of this video, you probably expected me to show you something where you would have to do some kind of editing, some kind of work, but all you have to do is go find viral content, get a copy of that content, upload it to Pippit, make some changes so you don't get any copyright issues, but it's going to allow you to replicate the exact aesthetic, style, looks that are trending right now. Here's why this tool is powerful. One is you can put out more than one video a day without even having to worry about editing. But let's say you wanted to launch a new channel, a new account, and you're studying other accounts, seeing how they're working, seeing what aesthetics are popular in your niche. Now you have a tool that will actually replicate those things. For example, if I wanted to replicate this account, I could just get reference videos from the content here and generate this type of content, maybe with a new character, but in the same style and aesthetic, even using the same kind of hooks and scripts. This tool gives content creators an advantage over other people. Imagine that you won't have to edit another video. I'm a full-time content creator that treats this like a business. And one of the hardest parts of doing this is the editing and staying consistent. This tool is a solution for both those things. You're going to be able to stay consistent because the work that you have to do here is very little. So really what you want to focus on is finding those viral videos, saving those viral videos, creating a repository of videos that you can use to test inside of your niche. I've been editing and creating content for more than 10 years, and a tool like this is the future. And those two things, right? Consistency, being able to output content quickly are so important. And a tool like this is going to change so many people's experience with content creation because it's a complete different thing than what we were doing in the past. This is a new way of creating content. So basically, there's no more excuses. Pippit is going to help you promote your product, your brand, your offers by replicating these winning videos. So let's try another example. We're going to start from scratch just so you guys can see how simple this is. We're going to come down here to this icon that looks like a little light bulb. We're going to click here. We're going to select upload video and pick our video. And just like before, all I did was attach the video. It's automatically populated this prompt here, so it knows what to do with this reference video. The model is selected correctly. And let's click here on the video settings. I want to check one thing. Is there a way I can make this a little bit longer? Yeah, let's make it 12 seconds. So it's just as long as the reference video. Now let's come over here and input our prompt. Again, we're back in the chat UI and we can see that the agent is thinking here. So let's see what it gives us. While we wait, let me show you the reference video.
All right, keep blowing, sir. Keep going and stop. Got it.
Oh boy, that thing tastes awful.
Breathing's over the limit. I'm placing you under arrest for driving under the influence.
Officer,
Hands behind your back, please.
So after just 2 to 3 minutes, it looks like we have our reference video here. Remember, no editing, no other work than me just uploading and hitting enter. Let's come down here and click on this download arrow. And we're going to download this piece of content and we'll check it out.
Keep blowing, sir. A little longer. Good.
Oh boy, that thing tastes awful.
You're at 0.11. I'm placing you under arrest for operating a sleigh under the influence.
Rudolph's gonna have a field day with this.
Just figure out what to do with the reindeer.
That was an amazing video. I like that one. As you can see, it hasn't just copied the look of the video, it's also copied the pacing, the tone of the video, which keeps the video effective. It makes sure that the video continues to work because it's not just about the visuals, it's about the whole piece of content. And again, zero editing. I could download this and post it to TikTok, post it to Instagram, post it to YouTube Shorts. If I did this all day, I could be posting viral content 24/7. Now, of course, there are credits when you use any AI tool. So if you notice this is working for you, this may be one of the tools that you want to pay for. Because if it's going to give you a good return on investment, then it's definitely worth using. And this tool has completely simplified the viral video creation process. If you try to do this alone inside of a tool like ChatGPT, it's going to be way, way harder than this. You're going to have to understand how to prompt ChatGPT to do everything that Pippit is doing, which the Pippit model and platform obviously has been built for and trained to do. There you have it, a very easy and simple workflow that anyone can do to create viral content in 2026. Make sure to use this workflow now while we still can, because in a couple months, I don't know what content creation is going to look like. My 9 to 5 is creating content and testing out the best AI tools so you don't have to. And I'm telling you right here, this workflow is gold. Hope this video was helpful. And remember, the links to Pippit are down in the description and pinned comments. So go down there, sign up, and try it out. If you want to turn your content, like the content we made in this video today, into a business, you're going to need the right AI tools and workflows. And that's exactly what I'm sharing here on the channel. Now, if you're interested in taking your AI generated content to the next level and making sure your hooks, scripts, and copies sound authentic and human, watch the video showing up here on the screen. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on those notifications so you don't miss the next AI tool workflow, and I'll catch you all in the next video.